And greetings from Anacortes. Today we are heading out to Deception Pass and Deception Pass Marine Park. And the star of our show today is going to be our grandson Liam, who's here for an overnight with us. So it looks like it'll be a nice sunny day today. There's a little bit of wind. We're definitely hoping to sail. The big challenge, of course, will be trying to figure out the making sure that we hit the Deception Pass at slack tide. It can be quite exciting otherwise. So yeah, so let's get the engine started and get out of here. Awesome.
Good morning, Liam. Yeah, it was an early morning, a little earlier than what he wanted it to be. Any of us wanted it to be, but hey, he's a trooper, part of the crew. Right, Grandpa? Here we are going around the island of Fidalgo from Anacortes. This is the backside of Fidalgo that we rarely get to see as we're heading down to Deception Pass. Exciting stuff. And Liam is at the helm. Awesome. Getting ready to go through Deception Pass. That's the bridge we were on a couple of years ago, right? Awesome. It's the bridge at Deception Pass. It's pretty awesome.
So the docks here is lots and lots of dock space, pretty wild. You can see Artemis way the heck at the end of the dock over there. Lots of room, cool. Good morning from Cornet Bay in Deception Pass State Park. Today we are off back to Anacortes doing a big giant loop with our grandson Liam. We woke up this morning, it's a little foggy. The good news is the sun is kind of shining, and so hopefully it'll burn off. We did find one of the contestants to the W360 next to us this morning. They're on a Flying Tiger 10. So yeah, pretty cool kind of waking up to see those guys. Of course, it wasn't so cool when they came in at 1 o'clock in the morning and just lively and chit-chatty while we were sleeping, but it's all good. We'll give them a break. Looks like they must have paddled or something to get up here. So yeah, anyway, so we're gonna go down to the boat, go get it sorted out, fired up. We have to be we're wanting to catch the tides and currents in the right direction, so we have to be at the kind of the channel going to Lavonne by 8 or so. So we better get going. Awesome. like down below. Thanks for watching.